Why do people give babies such embarrassing names? Like, I think some people forget that these kids are stuck with these names for their whole lives. Because I was at the store the other day, and this little kid was trying to climb the shelves, and his mom goes, "Danger, get down." You named your kid Danger. On purpose. I mean, I guess it's fitting because he's climbing the cereal aisle like a jungle gym, but still, was this like a punishment for him acting up one day? He just misbehaved and the belt wasn't working, so you were like, "You know what, Steven? Your name's Danger now." And to the people that have ridiculous names like this, I am not laughing at you. I'm trying to fight for you. Like, these parents do realize that these kids have to go to school, right? And newsflash, little kids are mean. They will get cooked at school. I walked by a group of little kids the other day, and they literally just told me that my jacket sucked and laughed. I was just wearing a plain black jacket. But you think you can name your kid Flick and nothing will happen? This needs to stop.